It is great to see you all again here at Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu has just received an investment of $100 million from Vitalik Buterin. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. Burning through 90% of the initial supply of ships would take 25 years at the current rate of burn in September, according to the Shiba Inu burn tracker. The remaining supply of Shiba Inu tokens would be 100 trillion when 90% of the initial supply is burned. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu is $5.7 billion. This video will discuss the recent $100 million investment in Shiba Inu made by Vitalik Buterin. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. As of October 13th, 1,223,516 Shiba Inu investors were recorded by CoinMarketCap. This represents an increase of 9% over the 1,114,483 total from the prior day. As the cryptocurrency's popularity declined, analysts predicted that interest in the meme altcoin would also decrease. But the crew isn't giving up on the asset just yet. They're actively seeking out strategies to increase the cryptocurrency's profit margin. Burning ships would have to go on for a few more years until there were only a few billion tokens left. That, however, is October-based. June before last, based on the volume of fires, Shiba Inu trackers estimated that it would take 10 years to burn out 90% of the ship's supply. Motivating individuals to destroy ships might significantly increase the price to $1. Even though Vitalik Buterin burnt up 41% of Shiba Inu's initial supply in one transaction, the majority of that amount has already been spent. The amount of supplies that has been burned since 18 months ago is a meager 0.2. Members of the Shiba Inu community set fire to some of their own tokens. After then, plans were made to siphon off SHIB's income through other enterprises. The primary development team at ShibASwap has just taken over the burn portal, making passive money available to everyone who burns SHIB. Shiba Inu will be able to get back on track with the support of each of these initiatives. This past September, Shiba Inu burns were valued at $17,500. For a quarter, that's 11 times as much money as it takes to burn a Shiba Inu. A lack of bullish momentum has forced the price of Shiba Inu to reverse its recent run-up. So it's probable that SHIB will reverse its recent gains and fall before retesting a crucial support level from 0.0000000000092. The price of Shiba Inu fell 11% on October 13th, reaching the fair value gap FVG. Because of the extremely unpredictable incident that took place that day, SHIB was able to recoup its losses and end the day higher than it started. Not much happened after this encouraging development. Consequently, the price of Shiba Inu has been quite stable. Unless Bitcoin's price finds a stable ground and starts to rebound, SHIB will probably keep losing weight. Notable levels to keep an eye on include the FVG's minimum value of 0.000000083 USD, which is near the POC at 0.0000081 USD, the level with the biggest volume of trade since May 2021. You should start building up your points by retaking one of these stages. Investors should anticipate a price reversal in SHIB if market conditions have improved. If you're a market maker, you should begin unloading at the equal highs, which are 0.0000000. At this point, the meme coin's potential for gain has probably been exhausted since it would represent gains of around 119%. However, when considering if the price of SHIB fails to create daily candlesticks close below the point of control PS 0.0000000, thesis will be rendered invalid. If this happens, the Shiba Inu price could fall till it hits the support level of 0.000000000. When trading this pattern, most traders aim for long holdings. The clearance it seeks is the space between the skull and the collarbone, just below the neckline resistance the Shiba Inu price is currently trading. To determine the trend's legitimacy, a break above that level is required. Until the MVRV rises back above the mean line, investors are not inclined to sell. To rephrase, the odds of demand increasing and SHIB moving north to confirm a 16.25% breakout to 0.0000000. The unsavory state of the global economy has led to a bear market that shows no signs of abating. When taking into account the IOMAP model buy into the block, traders should think about taking early profits to avoid bull traps. At 0.0000000, the Shiba Inu price may begin to decline again. This area saw the acquisition of roughly 67.33 trillion SHIB tokens by about 23,200 addresses. There will be downward pressure on prices when these holders sell when the price recovers just to break even. However, Buterin, Born in a small town near Moscow, this Russian-Canadian is most known for being one of the founders of Ethereum. He helped start Bitcoin magazine in 2011, and he was an early innovator in the Bitcoin industry. Along with Gavin Wood, Joseph Lubin, Anthony Diio, and Charles Hoskinson, he co-founded Ethereum in 2015. There is currently $1 billion in Vitalik Buterin's net worth. Connected to the Ethereum blockchain, the Ether token facilitates transactions in finance and the trading of cryptographic artifacts. For instance, tokens that cannot be exchanged for one another. The value of Vitalik's Ether wallet reached $1.71 billion USD on November 8, 2021, when ETH reached a record high of $4,818.08 USD. Vitalik's net worth fluctuated during the year. When the dark market started in January 2022, one Ethereum token was worth $3,683.05 USD. However, he persists in maintaining his status as a billionaire. In addition to Dogecoins, he has a substantial quantity of SHIB, 50 billion Akita, and 505 billion USD in his possession. The Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund received $100 million in Shiba Inu cryptocurrency from Vitalik Buterin in 2021. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both entered terrifying red zones since the Luna incident. To the Dogecoin Foundation, he has given ETH valued at about $1 million. After receiving the 2014 World Technology Award, Buterin was nominated for 2 lists by Forbes 2016 Fortune 40 Under 40 and 2018 Forbes 30 Under 30. He conceived up Ethereum after meeting Bitcoin developers all over the globe and learning about the currency's potential limitations. Aiming loftily at a complete redesign of the web, his plan was to improve upon Bitcoin's scalability and application development. The merge, formerly known as Ethereum 2.0, is the most talked about event in the cryptocurrency world. The POS consensus is gaining favor among cryptocurrency aficionados as they face increasing opposition to the energy-efficient POW mining method. Ethereum DevOps has been working tirelessly since 2020 to bring you the latest version of Ethereum ETH 2.0. An excellent example of why early investors can reap huge rewards from crypto initiatives, Shiba Inu has done well for its backers since its inception. Despite a lackluster performance in 2022, the Shiba Inu price forecast for 2023 suggests this breed could be a solid investment. Shiba Inu's 2025 pricing could indicate it's a solid investment, but early adopters seeking massive returns should look for other crypto projects. Your Shiba Inu investment will not yield large returns at this age. 6 transactions totaling more than 50,802,530 SHIB were executed within the past 24 hours. As reported by the Shibburn account on Twitter, on October 16th, the Shibburn initiative revealed that 6 transactions had destroyed 20,757,815 SHIB tokens, with 48 transactions totaling 395,803,998 SHIB. The total burn since the beginning of October is in the millions. There were originally 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu, but only 410382016984249 have been consumed so far. Large holders or whales in the Shiba Inu community may be getting in on the fun with a little increase in big transactions. A transaction typically exceeds $100,000, and as reported by Into the Block, substantial jumps in transactions are linked to increased buying and selling activity by whales. Shiba Inu's persistent trading over the $0.000010 mark led to a 31% rise in large transactions compared to the previous day. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency hit a new all-time high of $0.000000. Like most cryptocurrencies hit hard by bad market conditions since the start of 2022, Shiba Inu is now $88.36 below its peak. We are finished for the day. To view our most recent content, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.